Hi guys, Kelly here. I'm back again this week with 3 more finished projects and 1 work in progress. So I've not been well this week. I've kind of been missing in action. I've had a migraine for the last few days, so there's been no crochet, no housework, no nothing except for paracetamol in my life. So yeah, today I am feeling so much better. I'm not 100%. My eyeball still keeps twitching like it's got a little tick and it's hurting a bit, and you know, my problems always start from the top of my spine where I've got spinal stenosis, and that's where my migraines come from. And it's why I get so many, because the spinal cord, it's got a spinal column is trapping my spinal cord. So that's been my issue. So yeah, it's not fully better today, but it's a little bit better. So it's better enough to get on with a bit of work, and I'm going to crochet today. I have been missing it so much. Usually, even if I just sit down for like 10 minutes or something, my fingers have to be doing something. And I've not been able to do that because even the movement goes right in my head, and no good. So today, hopefully, I'm going to be able to crack on with a bit of crochet. So yeah, let's get into it. This is one of my first finished objects, and it's from this book, 21 Crochet Tanks and Tunics. As I said, I am going to make all 21 of them. So at the minute, I'm down 3, so I've got 18 left, and I am working on the 4th one. So yeah, this is the first one. So it's just beautiful and simple and stylish, and I love it. And it's made using Starcraft Special with wool. Starcraft Special Aran with wool, machine washable. It's 80% acrylic, 20% wool. So yeah, this is what I have left out of the 400 gram ball. So that will go on maybe one of the campfire cardigans or something. It'll go towards making one of those. And the pattern for this is Potrero. Here it is. So that's the one. Now, the next one, I love this one. I love this one. This one's the granny one, and I believe the pattern name was Mission. So, I love it so much. So let's see. Which way is the front? So here we have Mission. How beautiful is that? I am in love with this so much. I feel like these colours work so well together. On one of my last videos I was like saying, didn't know whether to use the toy or the cream, but I was leaning towards the toy. Well, I did use toy. It's a little bit darker than the cream, and oh my gosh, isn't it just beautiful? So it was a bit of a pain changing colour every single row, and there was a lot of ends to sew in, but I think it is so worth it. So yes, that is that. Both of those tops are up in my shop listed right now, and I can make them in any size, any colour of your choosing. And then there's this one. So wait, let me show you the picture for that one, for the Mission. Just so you can see the one in the book. That's that one. There's mine. And I actually prefer my colours. Is that big-headed? The only thing is though, I kept on forgetting which colour was which. You know, colour A, colour B, colour C. So I have kind of graffitied my book. I had to write in the top. I didn't have any paper close by, but it is pencil, so I can rub it out and, you know. But it's worth it. You know when you get one of those books where you just write notes and you know that it's a well-loved book? I've got a lot of books that are like that. And I only write in them in pencil, so I can rub it out afterwards. And I do it light so it's not indented. Right, so this next one is called Valencia. So it's this one. It's got that really nice fan edging. So I made it using, this was made using a mixture of DK yarns that I had in. Signet DK and Starcraft Special DK. So this one was made using some of the yarn from the yarn haul that I showed you last week. Ice yarns in light blue. So it's 70% cotton, 30% nylon, sale summer. I think my big window's blowing it out. So it's very nice anyway. Actually it's very similar to this. So I've made it up, and one of the balls is kind of a different colour, like it's been left out in the sun. Now sometimes you do get balls like that from ice yarns, not often. I mean, I've been shopping them with them for years, and it's only a couple of times that's happened. But if you can see the different colour, it's this top part. So what I'm going to do is, this one's not being added to the shop, I'll keep this one. I mean, it's a bit big for me, but, you know, I'll still wear it around the house or something, it's fine. But yeah, I'm going to get my yarn dyes out and I'm going to see if I can dye it. Because it's a cotton mix, I'm hoping, well it's 70% cotton, but I'm hoping that at least some of the dye will stick enough so that you don't see the difference in the colour, because I'm going to be really gutted otherwise. If it's a waste of a top, then, you know, I'm going to be gutted. So if I'd have noticed it first, I'd have ripped this part out and then just got a different ball. I mean, there's 2 more of these balls left. But I didn't notice it till I'd completely finished. I'd hung it up on the mannequin to have a proper look, and then I saw it and I was like, oh, really? And then my head went bad and I'm like, I'll just dye it. I don't care. I'm not bothered, I'll dye it. So yeah, that is this one. This yarn feels really beautiful though. Even though it's kind of heavy, it still feels light at the same time. I don't know, it's very strange. So the next one that I'm working on is this first one. This one's the wraparound one, Folsom. And you can see the wrap on it. So I'm doing this in, it's going to look really, really big. It is, but don't forget it's a wrap and it's worked bottom up in one piece. So, you know, you've got to make for the wrap. And I'm making size small. And size small is, the finished measurements will be 36.5 inches, and then the next size up for the medium is 40 inches. Now to me, I kind of feel like those sizes aren't, I don't know, I feel like the 36.5 inches is going to be more the medium. I don't know, so yeah, I decided to make that one anyway, the small. So I'm making using Wendy Mould. Sorry, I'm a bit slow, my head is still a bit, I'm not quite in the game, but I thought, you know, I better do something today. So this is Wendy Mould, double knitting, 50% pure merino wool. So it's 50% merino wool, 50% acrylic. So I did get a load of them off the market. I don't know if it's last year, 2 years ago, it might even be 3 years ago, I don't know. But I've had it in there a bit, so I'm happy to be able to use it. See what I mean about the length? You won't believe it's for a small, would you? but it is going to wrap around. So yeah, it'll work out alright. I've got stitch markers in for when you know you go shorter on the waist, since it's done bottom up, so it is shaped. And doing it using the brick stitch. So this should be done hopefully this week at some point. So I want to work on some other things, and I think I might start another one of these as well. Just doing the squares or something, because I've been sorting out some of my oddments. Just rolling them into the balls, because otherwise they're just scraggly in a bag and they get all knotted up and things. So here's one basket full. And then, I mean, I have more in my storage room, but these are what I had to hand, and then this bag full. So I have plenty to be working on for more of these, don't I? I mean, it only took one ball of each colour, and I mean, some of the balls in here are left over from this. So yeah, I can make loads more in any colour that you like, basically. So yeah, that is it then. The only other thing that I've done is I did buy, not yarn, I've not bought yarn, but my birthday's on Thursday, so I'm still planning to get some Ice Magic. So I did buy 5mm hook. This is the Clover Amore, my favourite hooks in all the world. I've lost my 5mm, so I was using the 5mm Clover Soft Touch. And then, although I love Clover and it is my second best hook, this one can't beat it. It's so good for your wrists and everything. So yeah. So another thing I'm going to do today is look through my patterns, and I'm going to find projects that I want to work to go with the Ice Magic that I'm going to buy. Because I don't want to buy it and just have it sat there and not know what I'm going to do with it. Because I'm not going to be shopping at Ice so often, or as often as they have been over the years, because they have added import fees, and you know, the prices on the postage have gone up as well. So, you know, when you're importing yarn, you want it to be, although it's a high quality, you still want it to be affordable. And at the minute, with the money that I have to spend on yarn, it's not affordable. So yeah, that's why I'm getting this special treat for my birthday. I'm treating myself. So yeah, I'm going to be finding projects for that, because I would be gutted if I bought it and it's just sat there and I don't know what I'm going to work on it with. I'll lose my excitement for the yarn then, and I don't want to lose my excitement. So yeah, Jamal's just come down, so I think that's my time to skedaddle. He's just staring at the camera.
Sorry guys that I don't make much videos a lot. I just have, like, you know,
Jamal didn't make a YouTube channel, didn't you? You've got one video up, haven't you? No, you've got one.
2 videos.
You've got 2? Okay. He's got 2 videos on.
No, I don't.
You do have one.
No, when I was cleaning the garden and...
Right, but that's on my family channel. On your channel, you've got that one that I uploaded.
But why? But I made it.
But it's on my family channel. We're one family, so it's on the family channel, yeah? Yours is for your gaming and things, yeah?
So does that mean all the likes and subscribes I get is yours? Does it?
It's ours because it's our family channel. Not just mine. This channel is my channel. It's Crafted by Kelly. Yeah? Yeah?
Let me see.
Well, you can't see the channel from there, can you? Go on YouTube and then you can find my channel there. Yeah? Right, go on. Right, I'm going to go before these get too much.
And thanks for letting me use your phone.
Okay. So, thank you for watching. Stay with me this long, thank you very much.
Yeah, and she bought me a new phone.
No, I didn't.
No, she didn't.
Don't forget to check out my shop, check out the new items. Don't forget, I do... Right, in there please, go finish your food. Jamal. Don't forget that I do one-to-one tutorials and answer questions or anything else through the online coaching segment on my website. And yeah, I am hoping that when the boys go back to school in September I can get back up and running making video tutorials. So I do have a lot to make. Yeah. Here's hoping that time comes quick, eh? Alright then, I shall love you and leave you. Happy crafting everybody.
Like
Bye.
and subscribe.